We have created a new JSON data binding wizard for Delphi. This is specifically for Delphi. The idea is that rather than mapping JSON to tJSON classes, tJSON value, tJSON object, tJSON array, and so forth, you want to improve your code by mapping JSON data structure to actual classes in your application. So what we've built is a wizard that can take an existing JSON text and generate the objects to map to, and generate the mapping code using one of two alternative options that are available in our libraries. One is the REST JSON mapping layer, and the other is the system JSON serializers. Long story short, you can go through this wizard, simply configure if you want the fields to be mapped to properties, to fields, which format, how you handle array types, and so forth. You can, of course, map to your own custom data types if you want. And what you get at the end is a bunch of classes which can be used directly to map the code to JSON. As an example of the JSON wizard, I've taken this JSON, which is actually coming from json.org. I've used it in the wizard to generate matching JSON classes that you can see here for each of the data structures in that JSON. This again is fully generated code with the window object, t-image, t-text, and other objects inside it. Not only it has the structure of the code, but it also offers at the higher level some memory management code. So as you're creating the topmost object, it is going to create and destroy the required sub-objects for you. That means that the code that you use to read this JSON in memory into a set of objects, not tJSON data structures, is 2 lines. This is all you need to say that you want to use the JSON serializer library and create a my object based on the JSON mapper from the text of the memo. And then at this point we can read some of the elements of this data structure. Again, here we're just using pure Pascal code, accesses to object and sub-objects, rather than having to use JSON-based data access. If we run it, you can see this works, and you can actually see this is live, because if I change the JSON, re-import it, recreate the objects, now I'm getting the modified text.